Hooray! I'm Rina and welcome back to our channel. So for today, I will share a video on how to turn up a wall into a fun and learning activities for your children. Because in my 4 years of operating a home-based daycare, I noticed that kids really love to draw, whether on paper, on chalkboards, on the floor, especially on the wall. They really enjoy it. So I decided to turn one side of my wall into a good size chalkboard. So let's get started!
Hooray! I'm Melanie, I'm Rina, and we are the Childcare Guru.
We're here at my play area, and this is the side of the wall where I'm going to install my new chalkboard. So these are the materials that I'll be using. The first item is my old foam mats. I bought it like 3 years ago. Get it from Walmart. You can also get it from other stores like Superstore, Canadian Tire, and Home Depot. The second item is the chalkboard paint. I bought it at Home Depot. I chose black, but there are other colors available for you to choose from like pink, orange, green, blue, and more. The third item is the Multipurpose Adhesive. I get it from Home Depot as well, like for less than $7. And take note, if you're gonna apply it for your safety, use gloves because it might irritate your skin. And especially painter's tool like rollers, paint trays, and painter's tape. The first thing I'm gonna do is to mark this puzzle mat into the wall so that I know where to put my chalkboard paint. Now that we've marked the lines for the chalkboard paint, I'm now going to put the painter's tape. After putting this painter's tape, we will now apply the chalkboard paint in this area. So we're done with our first coat of the chalkboard paint. So we have to let it dry for half an hour and then we're going to apply the second coat. So this is how it looks like after I apply the second coat. You have the option to apply the third coat. It's your preference, but you have to wait 30 more minutes before you apply the next coat. It's been dried, so we're ready to put this foam mats onto the wall using adhesive. But before I do that, I have to remove this tape, so we're ready. So this is the end result. It is so colorful, it looks so nice, and I know my kids will gonna love it. They're coming tomorrow, and I'm so excited to see their reactions. And you know what? Giving this chalkboard activities to the children will help develop their fine motor skills, enhance their visual analysis, establish their concentration, and helps improve their hand-eye coordination. So this is so awesome, and it just cost me less than 50 bucks. It's so easy to do. You can easily do it by yourself. And I'm so happy with the end result, and it's totally worth it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to see you on our next video. Please subscribe in our channel, and hooray!